In a time before just in case became a pack-in philosophy, people traveled with only what they needed. And somehow, it was always enough. Welcome to episode 3 of the Drishti Bali retreat. What to pack and what to leave behind. My name is Asaf and I'm part of the Drishti team. And in this video, I'll help you figure out what to bring, what to skip, and what to let go of emotionally and logistically. For your practice, 2-3 sets of breathable, comfortable yoga clothes, a journal and pen for reflections, a refillable water bottle. We're making sure our 2 yoga shalas at the Drishti Bali retreat are fully stocked with everything yoga you can think of. Mats, foam blocks, wood blocks, straps, bolsters, blankets, sweat towels, foam rollers, and even Pilates rings and dumbbells. Because who knows? And yes, we have 2 yoga shalas. One oceanfront and one nestled in the lush jungle. Different settings, different energies. Same invitation to drop in and feel supported. If you have a preferred yoga mat you love, you're more than welcome to bring it along. For Bali life, swimwear. Yes, bring more than one. Light, flowy clothes for hot weather. A sarong or 2 for beach and temples. Flip-flops or sandals. One pair of walking shoes if you're planning to explore. Make sure you bring your phone, your charger, and an adapter. Bali uses European 2 plugs, any personal medications or supplements. What not to pack? Guilt about taking this time for yourself. Too many shoes. Balinese people often walk barefoot, especially in temples and sacred spaces, or just out in nature. It's a gesture of respect, but also grounding, a soft reminder that the earth beneath you is alive and that you don't always need shoes to feel steady. This isn't a performance, it's a retreat. You'll spend most of the week barefoot in soft clothes, learning how to soften everything else too. So pack lightly, leave room in your suitcase for stillness, for joy, and maybe one extra sarong you definitely didn't need, but bought anyway. If anything comes up, questions, thoughts, even small curiosities, feel free to send me an email or WhatsApp message anytime. I'll see you soon.